Good morning, respected judges, teachers, and my fellow participants. My name is Regina Chhetri and I am from class 8. They are my teammates.
My name is Sukma Tamang. I am from class 7.
My name is Khushbu Thapa Chhetri. I am from class 7.
My name is Anamika Sirpa. I am from class 7.
Today we are here to present our prototype for Buildathon 2025 titled Fuse Ball Replacing Stick under Atmanirbhar Bharat. Electricity is essential in our life, but handling electrical fixtures can be risky. Changing a fuse ball usually requires a stool or ladder, and there is a danger of electric shock if the switch is not properly turned off. To solve this problem, we have designed a fuse ball changing stick, an innovation and safe tool that helps in changing balls placed at a height without using a ladder or touching the holder directly. The device works on the principle of friction and suction. The friction cup holds the ball firmly, allowing you to twist clockwise to fix a new ball, anti-clockwise to remove a fuse ball. This prevents direct contact with this holder and protects from electric shock. These innovations support the vision of Viksit Bharat, where smart and safe practice improve our living standard. Thank you.